So today you all saw that we are going to play with your Play-Doh, so go ahead and get that out now. But we have this nifty little worksheet to go with it. I know. So I'm going to hand these out. You're going to work on these individually. I do want you to put your names on them and write down the answers to the equations, to the questions on this paper. We will hand it into the math box. When I hand you your papers, go ahead and stand up because we're going to review our multiplication facts, because multiplication facts can help with division, right? Yep. We'll start off with, get a partner, do your dances. Start off with 5. We'll start off with something easy. Okay, go ahead and stand up and find a partner and review your 5s. If someone doesn't have a partner, raise your hand. Show me their dance. We'll pick 2 groups. Josh and Jake.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55.
Very good. You 2 make this up. One more group. Ethan and Zach.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55.
Very good. You 2 make this up. Find a new partner and review your 3s.
3.
Lane, show us your 3s, Lane.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30.
Oh, that's a little peek there. You 2 make this up. Colin, Logan.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30.
All right, very good. You 2 make this up. Let's do new partners and remembers the two strategies we learned this week, right? Division as sharing and division as repeated subtraction. You're going to work on both of those via this worksheet. So, as you can see, number 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6 don't have any bold letters on them. Those are the ones you're going to do with sharing. So with your Play-Doh, you're going to make groups and share it equally with your Play-Doh, okay? I don't care what shape your Play-Doh is in, just make it so you know that you have this many equal pieces and this many equal groups, okay? The ones with the big bold letters that say use repeated subtraction, you will write down here, down on the blank space here on the bottom of your paper, you'll number, so you'll put number 2 down here, and then by repeated subtraction, do 81 divided by 9. And your repeated subtraction down here, you'll do the same with number 7, 8, 9, and 10, okay? So, let's just all do this one real fast. Number 1, show me number 1, 18 divided by 6 with your Play-Doh. And then remember, you're gonna write down all the answers on your paper. Ethan? You can't find your Play-Doh? That's not good.
I'll share mine.
Right there.
We haven't had any in the lost and found, so.
Does somebody have an extra Play-Doh in their desk that might have gotten picked up?
Okay.
We'll keep looking, Ethan, and I'll see. I think she had some extra ones. I'll try to find you more.
Oh, it's purple in this place.
It's working. Show me. I want to see all 18 pieces split up into 6 equal groups, right? That's what we're doing. That's what I want to see.
18.
That's not 18. Ethan, did you find it? Okay, here's one that you can use today until we find you one. Okay. All right. Come on, guys. These pieces don't need to be perfect, guys, so don't take a really long time to roll them up. And see like how Madison has just chunks off her Play-Doh? And Tyler does the same thing? Because that's what you, and Wyatt. Good job, Wyatt. Riley. And Jacob. Okay. Good job. They don't have to be perfect. I just want to see that you know that 18 divided by 6 equals whatever it equals. Alright. Give me a thumbs up when you're done.
Okay.
Quiet, Gracie. No.
Brian Cribbs, please come to the office. Brian Cribbs, come to the office, please.
18 divided by 6 equals what?
3.
3. Okay. So you should have 6 equal groups of 3 on your desk, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Now go ahead and do the rest of the worksheet. Use repeated subtraction. You're not going to use your Play-Doh for that. You're only going to use your Play-Doh for 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So, just so I'm reinforcing what I said, you're only using Play-Doh for numbers 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Say it back to me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, thank you. The other 5 you are using repeated subtraction, so I want you to write it out. You can work amongst your groups if you need help. Okay? And if you need more help than what your group can offer, raise your hand and I will come around and check.
Only outside, not me.
Write it out. On the repeated subtraction ones, I want you to write it out. I need to see you be able to do repeated subtraction. There's 5 that are repeated subtraction. This one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. These 5 right here, you're using your PlayDough to solve. So if you want to do those first, I would do those first.
Okay. You made it 8. It's not 2. I didn't guarantee it's 2.
You all got to be better at answering. Class?
Yes.
Thank you. Who remembers repeated subtraction from yesterday?
Me. I do.
Okay. Michaela, what do I do first with this problem?
You do 18 minus 6.
Very good. Which equals 12. So then, what do I do, Lane?
We're going to do 12 minus 6.
Which equals 6.
3.
And what do I do? 6 minus 6 equals 0. So how many groups of 6 go into 18? 3. Okay. That's how you do repeated subtraction. That's how you should be doing problems 2, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay?
It was 3. Oh, 3.
Yeah.
There, I put 3 already. I said I looked on the different ones. I know that.
I didn't go all the way.
Don't even. Say,
I tried to.
when you're smarter. If I say my phone,
But I think probably not 22.
I never just did all in my mind. I rather there's
Yeah.
Yeah, Mom, he's doing this I know.
Okay, remember you guys are writing your answers next to the question, so I can see that you figured it out. Which one?
Is that right?
Oh, well, do you think it's right? That's well, because 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. So 32 divided you need 32 equal pieces and split them into 4 groups. That's not hard. You guys are making this a lot harder than it needs to be. I know, but I thought somebody called it and like,
You should have told us to do. Which teacher number 2?
you guys have 25 minutes to keep working on this, and then
I just did all
what's too hard? Yeah, you need 32 pieces.
Dude,
So I'll try to do some of that too. Or maybe which one's hard? Oh, you're not using your PlayDough for that. You're using repeated subtraction. So get out your whiteboard if you need your whiteboard.
Oh, yeah. I'm done. I did 2, 3, and 7.
Can you make it look more like an 8, please?
I'm almost done. Mine is really hard. 72 divided by 9. No, 72 divided by 8.
Alright.
Give me it.
It's cool. I didn't even catch that. I also wrote those at like 9 o'clock last night and I was these last 5 before you won't need to click, okay? Good job, keep going, Ryan. that one on it. 72 divided by 12.
Can you count backwards already? Your other choice is
Thank you.
Write it out. Write it out for me. That's a hard one. It's not on there. Yep. That one you're gonna have There you go. See? Look at you go. Okay, so we have 4 groups of how many? Test you guys and make sure you know how to do it. Well, because you're not supposed to do 72 divided by 12 with your pieces. You're supposed to use repeated subtraction. Read the directions. The directions are right there on your paper. Now you got it. Very good. Make sure you're ready to go.
You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. You need 6. Making them now with your
a little hint. Look at your multiplication table on your desk. Find 81 on there. 81. They've got the 9s, right? going to move it to the left, and that is 81 minus 9, 72 minus 9, 63 minus 9, 54 minus 9.
45, 30,
Yeah.
27, 18, 19.
So do you see how you can use your multiplication table to help you with repeated subtraction? No.
I don't get it either. I don't see
Okay.
it. I can
Look, right here. So you start at 81, and if you subtract 9, it's 72. You subtract 9, it's 63, 54, 45, 36, 27, 18, 9, 0. And then you have your answer. So just count how many boxes. There'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there's your answer. You see now? You can use that with any of your repeated subtraction problems. Well, we have about 13 minutes before we have to get on this special. Play-Doh away if you're still using it, because most of you are playing with it now, Eli, instead of using it to solve your math problems. If that's going to be an issue, playing with it instead of using it, we're not going to use Play-Doh anymore. And I'll tell Miss Goulet that you guys would rather play with it than actually do your work. You want that? No. Okay. So go ahead and put your Play-Doh away. And continue to solve your problems. We have about 7 minutes left, 8 minutes left before we're going to get ready for special.
did you change that answer? That was not correct. 27 divided by 3 equals what?
27.
You didn't change your answer. Yep,
27. 3 equal groups.
you wrote an 8, it's a 9.
So what is that? Let's do that. You can do that. It's still on. It's still recording. It's fine. It's still recording. Riley, you got it? Thank you, girl. Keep going, buddy. I know you can do this. So she has 27 cookies split into 3 equal groups. The division problem is 27 divided by 3. So how many cookies go in each group? So let's find it. Let's see. So start at 27. You want to find out how many A's you have. So A, where are you? 21, 24, 27. So how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You need 27
See how you do that? Try the next one. There you go. She needs to know how many friends she has. So she has 9 friends and gets 3 cookies each.
So here's 1.
Yeah, but it's not 58. 60 minus 2 is 58. 60 minus 12 is
Make a really nice row.
58. There you go. 48. That's where you're going wrong. Oh, 27 divided by 3 equals 1.
There's still some paper there for me to grab.
One ahead. Look at me. 5 times 12 is 60, right? So, equals that, you get 72 equals 6. 6 times 12 is 72. You're close over, and they're close. 30. Why was it even near your own? Okay, well, you have answered 4 problems. You know how you solve it.
You have 32 and 4 groups of 4. So here's 4. Actually,
I know some of you are not done, but let's go ahead and go over these as a class real fast, the ones that you do have done. So, number 1 we did together. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. So, number 2, 81 divided by 9 equals 9. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. Ms. Galay has 12 pencils. If 6 students ask for pencils, how many pencils will each student get? 2. Because your division equation is 12 divided by 6. Madison has 27 cookies. She needs to split the cookies into equal groups of 3 for her friends. There you go. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. Okay? Do you see how you can use your multiplication tables to help you with this, guys? So if you know, let's kind of look at it backwards a little bit. Hold on just a second before we move around. I just explained this to Haley this way. If you know you need 3 equal groups, 3 times what divided by 3 equals 9, right? Because 9 times 3 is 27. So use your multiplication facts that way. That's why I had you guys review your dances this morning. So you know your times tables. You need your times tables for a lot of stuff. Okay? So let's move on to number 6. Who all got to number 6? Raise your hands. Okay, so Tyler has 32 books. If he has 4 boxes, how many books will be in each box? 8. And if you notice, number 6 is the same as number 3. I did that on purpose so you guys might put that 2 and 2 together there. Number 7, Riley has 56 crayons. How many bags will Riley need if she puts 8 crayons in each bag? 7. Very good. Ethan cut a basket of apples into 72 slices. If he sliced 12 apples, how many slices did each apple provide? 6. Carla has 65 pieces of notebook paper to hand out to her classmates. If Carla gives each person 5 sheets of paper, how many people are in her class?
40.
40? How'd you get 40? How many? 13. Very good. Last one. This is the big one. How many of you got to number 10? Okay. Lane has 132 football cards, trading cards. If he wanted to organize the cards into boxes, how many boxes would he need if he put 12 cards in each box? Who said 11? Put up, Logan. Awesome. Good job. Alright, so 132 divided by 12 equals, that one I wanted you guys to really use your repeated subtraction. And I saw some of you trying to write it out like this and figure it out. And I know that's difficult for you. So instead of writing it like this, write it like this. What's 2 minus 2? 3 minus 1. Okay, you see how that's easier for you to work down that way instead of out to the side? Okay. So how does everyone, okay, show me your hands. 5 if you feel good about division. 0 if you feel terrible and you don't understand it. Anywhere in between. Show me your fingers. 5, so 5. We got a lot of 5s. Couple zeros. Okay, well we'll keep working on it. We're going to learn some more strategies as we go on, okay? So go ahead and put your Play-Doh back at your desk and line up your specials.